Okay, I'm out here in the random forest and I'm going to the cave. I'm not the creepy video channel, but this is going to be scary because there's something in this cave. Something that brings me the creeps. I'm not really sure where the cave is. I was here years ago and now I have to find it.
I already knew what was waiting for me in this cave, but there was something so disgusting that I was not prepared for it.
Behind me is the cave I looked for. It took me about 10 minutes to find this cave actually. I didn't remember that the mouth of the cave is actually larger than I remembered. I thought it was a lot much smaller, but I can already see back there why I don't like this cave. Because what I see back there creeps me out. A lot of water is dripping down from the ceiling. It's a limestone cave and I can see remnants of the ice statues that formed during the cold times. Now everything is melting. I think this cave goes about 50 meters back there, but let's get moving. There's just a random chair back there. If I was here the first time and randomly found this place, I would run the other way if I saw this. Who would want to come here and just sit around, enjoy the scenery? Like, I don't know about you, but I don't like sitting here. There are some candles here, but unfortunately I don't have any light to light this place up, because I can imagine that if I could create a warmer light in here, this place might feel a little bit more friendly or welcoming. And it looks like it's a Buddhist altar or something. And there's a lot of random stuff in here. Maybe some rituals are performed in this place. Fake flowers, some very nasty bottle with some liquids. I don't want to even touch it. Holy shit, it's a rat in there. Oh, it's disgusting, what the f***. Okay, that's really nasty. That is extremely nasty. Who are these people who come here? Other than that, a lot of coins, some insect sticks, more coins. Here are some Buddha statues, and quite many of them around me actually. And pictures of some random man. I have no idea who he is. Maybe this is the guy who comes here and is putting rats into plastic bottles. I don't know how you call these things, but they're full of text. I guess maybe it's Hindi. I can't read any of this. And I wouldn't even want to. Maybe I summon something I don't want to summon. It's also a notebook here I think people who have come here to visit have put their names and dates here. It's a very moldy notebook. So I made a bit of research a couple of weeks ago, and I read some news articles that said that there is a group of people who come here. Locals think that they are the same group of people, and they're very loud, shouting. They are coming to this cave and doing God knows what. A couple of local houses here in this forest, they have called police to these people, but the police can't really do anything because technically these people who come here don't do anything wrong. But one thing is for sure, I don't want to be here when these people arrive, and I don't know what is their schedule. And this place is far from the city. It's not like they're coming here just randomly to, I don't know, spend some time. Because when you come here this far from the city through a random forest, then you gotta have a purpose of coming here. And I don't know what this purpose is. Maybe they come here to pray or something, or maybe they do rituals. I have no idea, because this rat in this bottle, I don't know. From a geologic standpoint, I think this cave is carved by water, because the entrance is inside the cliff face, and this cliff face used to be a sea cliff about 10,000 years ago. When the last ice age ended, then the sea level was much higher than it is. And I think the waves actually carved out this cave, because this is dead end here. It doesn't go any further, and maybe the sea found a weak spot in the cliff and started carving out this cave here. But I don't know for sure what I'm talking about, because I am not a geologist. This is just what my half-decent geological mind tells me. It also feels a little bit claustrophobic in here, because you can see that the slabs on the ceiling have fallen down in the past. And there is a very slight chance that I might trigger something and I get trapped in this cave. And of course, it's no service here, so I can't call anyone. I don't know how the place makes you feel. You're safely watching from your phone or your TV. But combine all this together, the anxiety of getting trapped in here, dead rats, and some really random stuff, random people. Overall, not so great vibe in here. If you ask how I feel like leaving. And this is exactly what I'm going to do right now. I will not be spending more time in here. In the middle of the random forest, in this random cave, I'm done. Okay, I'm out of the cave, and yeah, I'm not looking to come back here in the near future. I usually don't say it on my videos, because everywhere I go, it's usually something beautiful, somewhere really nice, but this one right here, I'm not coming back. And it's so dark outside here in this forest. This is what I wanted to show you, and have a great day or evening. Peace out.